How to add labels in Audacity. Hi everyone, my name is Saad. In this video, we are going to see how we can add the labels to different tracks so that we can export it label wise, and it makes it so much convenient to, let's say that we have different audios in a single project, let's say 20 projects. Let's say one project has 20 audios. So if you want to export that separately according to the name, you need labels for that. Now, if you want to create a specific label in a specific track, and we have recorded each of them separately, what we can do is just select that particular track and press Ctrl B, and it will open the labels option for you on the left. On the right, you can see, however, the track is completely selected from point A to point B before the next track starts. And we have the label highlighted in the complete area. We only have to give the name now. So for example, here I track all of my videos with numbers. So let's put the number here, 279, hit enter, and let's select the second track now and press Ctrl B. Now, if you want to break this audio into two tracks, what you can do is just use Ctrl X here. Now, for example, if you have a joint audio and you want to use the labels by breaking the audio in different parts, what you can use is the split function. So just right click here and press split clip, and I have customized the shortcut to V. So I can also press V here. And as we can see, now the clip is distributed into two. However, if you want to rejoin the clips, just select this portion and right click here and click on join clips, and it will join it again. Now let's continue. Let's label the second one. Select this one, press Ctrl B, and we can again label this. Hit enter. Now what is the benefit of it? If I want to export it with this audio names, what we can do is just go to the file, click on export audio, and here we should see the selection of multiple files here. We don't want to export the entire project. We want to split it into multiple files, and let's place it on desktop and name it as sample Audacity. Now my file format is MP3, stereo, sample rate. You can see and customize all of these settings according to your choices. In this, now split files is based on labels. Only that way it will name it according to the labels. And in the name files, using the label or track name, we will keep it to the first option. And if you want to number before the label, you can use the second option as well, and click on export. Now the audio should be exported in two parts. One is 279 and the other one is this other number. As you can see, it exported two times and successfully exported the two files here. That's perfect. Now let's select a different location. For example, in the T category, I will create a new folder and name it as test Audacity. Hit enter, select this. Now, if you want to export both of them according to the label numbers, that should be the file name of individual clips, right? So what you can do is click on file. Now make sure you have selected the complete project before exporting it clip wise. Go to file, click on export audio, and here we will choose the relevant folder. Now I have created a folder named test Audacity. Click open, and I want to save it here. Now don't just give the file name, because the file name will be given automatically according to the labels. As you can see here, split files based on labels, and using label track name, you need to select multiple files, and you can customize all of these settings here as well. So click on export and let's see how it exports it. It is exported one time and then it will export the other one. Now, as you can see, it again started the export, and we have two clips exported in this particular folder. Let's locate it. And as we can see, we have two clips right here. One is this one is this one. Right click on the properties, it's exported it as MP3. So this is how we create the labels in Audacity, and this is how we can effectively use it. I hope you found this video helpful. So just try it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.